Very good morning, students. Let's discuss about interesting facts of Maharashtra. Here it is. You can see few of the images which tells us about the interesting facts of Maharashtra. In this video, we are going to discuss about facts about Maharashtra, Maharashtra before independence and Maharashtra after independence. Maharashtra is a state in the western region of India and is the nation's third largest state by area as well, and is also the world's second most populous sub-national entity. Maharashtra before independence. During the early period from the 4th century up to 12th century, the territory constituting the present day state of Maharashtra was divided between several Hindu kingdoms. It was in the midst of the 17th century where Shivaji Maharaj showed astonishing powers by founding a large Maratha empire that shook Delhi-based Mughal rule to its foundations. The heroism and greatness of Shivaji Maharaj are still remembered by the people of this country, and his stories are now part of the great Indian folklore. After the fall of the Maratha Empire, the Peshawar came to the throne and ruled during the period between 1712 to 1818. The British East India Company slowly expanded areas under its rule during the 18th century. Let's talk about Maharashtra after independence. The British governed Western Maharashtra as the part of Bombay Presidency. After India's independence, the Bombay Presidency was formed in the year 1950. In the year 1956, the States Recognition and Reorganization Act reorganized the Indian states along linguistic lines, and Bombay Presidency state was enlarged. The present state of Maharashtra was formed on 1st May 1960. The word Maharashtra was derived from the Sanskrit word Maha, means great, and Rashtra is nothing but the nation and dominion, formerly known as Great Nation. Here you have the major rivers of the state, which are Godavari, Krishna, Narmada and Tapi. Maharashtra is one of the wealthiest and the most developed states in India, contributing 25% of the country's industrial output and 23.2% of its gross domestic product, that is GDP, by the year 2010-11. Very good morning, students. We have discussed about the facts about Maharashtra, Maharashtra before independence, Maharashtra after independence. In this video, we'll be discussing about Maharashtra's geographical map and some of the elements and entities of Maharashtra's. Let us begin our discussion with Maharashtra's geographical map. Here, you can clearly see the 6 major administrative divisions of Maharashtra state. The 6 major administrative divisions, under which you have 36 districts of Maharashtra: Amravati Division, Aurangabad Division, Konkan Division, Nagpur Division, Nashik Division, Pune Division. Government of Maharashtra: Governor, here it is, Bhagat Singh Koshyari; Chief Minister, High Court, Chief Justice. Capital: the state capital is Mumbai and the winter capital is Nagpur. The total number of districts under the state of Maharashtra is 36. State symbols of Maharashtra: language, everybody knows, Marathi it is; song, dance form, animal, bird, flower, tree, and sports. These are the state symbols of Maharashtra. Total number of seats in the legislature bicameral, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Wildlife sanctuaries in Maharashtra. You can see here it is the list of wildlife sanctuaries in Maharashtra. National parks in Maharashtra: Chandoli National Park, Gugamal National Park, Navegaon National Park, Pench National Park, Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Tadoba National Park. Thermal power plants in Maharashtra. Here you have the list of it. Chandrapur super thermal power stations, and likewise there are other thermal power stations or the thermal power plants in Maharashtra. Let's move further. The UNESCO heritage sites and famous temples in Maharashtra: Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, it is; Ajanta Caves, Ellora Caves, Elephanta Caves. Famous temples: Siddhivinayak Temple, Mahalakshmi Temple, Bhima Shankar Temple, Trimbakeshwar Temple, Kailash Temple, Walkeshwar Temple, and Mumba Devi Temple. Other heritage sites: the marvelous fort of Pune, Shaniwarwada; Mastani Mahal recreated at Raja Dinkar Kelkar Museum; the Lions Fort, Sinhagad Fort; Shivaji's childhood palace, Lal Mahal; Kesriwada, Vasai Fort, the Portuguese heritage; Raigad Fort; Bibi Ka Maqbara, the Deccan's own Taj Mahal; and Gateway of India. Hill stations in Maharashtra: Amboli, Bhandardara, Chikaldara, Igatpuri, Jawar, Karjat, Khandala, Lavasa, Lonavla, and likewise here you can see the list of hill stations in Maharashtra. Let's talk about the festivals of Maharashtra: Diwali, Makar Sankranti, Nag Panchami, Gudi Padwa, Pola, Narali Purnima, Gokul Ashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Dasera, Holi are the famous festivals of the state. The modern festivals include the Elephant Festivals, the Ellora Festivals. Famous dance forms: Lavani, Kala, Tamasha, Koli, Povadas, and Dhangari Gaja. These are the ports. Jawaharlal Nehru Port, Mumbai Port. Some of the famous personalities like Azim Premji, the Wipro founder; Nana Saheb Parulekar, the founder editor of Sakal; Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, the great freedom fighter, Indian National Congress; Dr. B.R. Ambedkar drafted the Constitution of India. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, the guru of Mahatma Gandhi. Anna Hazare, Kisan Baburao Hazare. Sachin Tendulkar, a cricketer. Vikram Gokhale, an actor. Asha Bhosle, singer. Lata Mangeshkar is also singer. Usha Mangeshkar. And Madhuri Dixit, an actress. Very good morning, students. In our previous class, we have talked about the Maharashtra's geographical map, government of Maharashtra, the state symbols of Maharashtra, wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, thermal power plants, UNESCO heritage sites, famous temples, other heritage sites, hill stations, festivals, famous dance forms, ports, and some of the famous personalities of Maharashtra's. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about some of the tidbits about the Maharashtra, about the 2011 census. After that, we'll be discussing few of the questions related to our topic, and then we'll get to know some of the additional information in the form of few facts about Maharashtra. With this, we'll conclude our topic. Let's start. See, the Maharashtra Bhushan is the highest and prestigious award presented annually by the government of Maharashtra state in India. In a village called Shani Shingnapur in Maharashtra, where people have been living in houses with no doors for generations. This is because they believe that whoever steals anything from this place will incur the wrath of Shani god and will have to pay for his or her sins very dearly. There is no police station in this village either. Lonar Lake, a salt water lake in Maharashtra, was created by a meteor hitting the earth and is one of its kind in India. Every 12 years, a religious gathering called Kumbh Mela occurs in Maharashtra. It is the world's largest gathering of people. The gathering is so large that the Kumbh Mela is visible from the space. 2011 census. The population of Maharashtra is 11.24 crores. That is 51.83% are the males and 48.17% are the females. Sex ratio is 929 females per 1000 males. The literacy rate is 82.34% and the child sex ratio is 894. Based on the discussion which we had in our previous videos, let us have question answer session. Now let me ask you one question, my dear students. Which is the river in Maharashtra state which flows from west to east? I'll repeat my question. Which is the river in Maharashtra state which flows from the west to east? And the answer is the Krishna river, which flows through the states of Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. It originates at Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra, passes through Sangli and meets the sea in the Bay of Bengal at Hamsala Devi in Andhra Pradesh. My second question is, how many forts are there in Maharashtra? How many forts are there in Maharashtra? There are 350 historical forts in Maharashtra only. Most of these forts are associated with the greater Maratha ruler Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. It is believed that he developed as many as 13 forts. And the last question here it is, in which year was Bombay renamed as Mumbai? In which year was Bombay renamed as Mumbai? And the answer is Mumbai from Bombay, renamed in the year 1995. So the conclusion of this topic is, as Mumbai originally was a cluster of 7 separate islands, and the southernmost island was called Old Women's Island. Mumbai is built on what was once an archipelago of 7 islands: Bombay Island, Parel, Mazgaon, Mahim, Colaba, Worli, and Old Women's Island, also known as Little Colaba. It is not exactly known when these islands were first inhabited. So this is all about interesting facts of Maharashtra. Here you have the questions which I asked you in between the discussion before we conclude the topic. So with this, we will over the topic here and will know more facts about Maharashtra. We'll keep reading, we'll keep searching, and we'll keep finding the interesting facts about Maharashtra. Thank you.